cute. What is an A14 now?
I don't know, same thing though.
Okay.
He said you're gonna come with it today.
So it's that time of the year again. Going back to school. Busy with covering the books. Busy with homeworks. Yeah. Good times. Back to reality. So last minute buys of stationery and school stuff. So I got this for pencil case. The one that she had last year is broken and she's been using a temporary pencil case. Yeah, we put this one long ago and it's been sitting in her toy box, and we thought, okay, she must just use this for now. And yeah, so now I just bought this. This was like 110 rands at a Chinese shop. I'm hoping that these will last, because you know these shops. And then these two pencils for her art class. I've been looking for these two because they were specific, and they said they want a B4, an H, and an HB. So I only had an HB, and I bought these. And then also I added socks, summer socks, and these were $12.99 at Pick and Pay clothing. And also if you bought two things on this aisle there, and then you got a 20% off. So I got a 20% off on these two because I bought two of them. And then last at Clicks, I bought this for her because now it's summer. I don't like a roll-on for her because she started using roll-on last year. And so I bought something for her, a roll-on, an organic roll-on for her. But now it's been, you know, when it's hot, roll-on especially, it likes to drip, so she hates that. And so I bought this. So this Nivea, I don't know if it's a new thing, but Fresh Energy, and it's also anti-germ. So I got this for her, and this body sprays as well. It clicks, and yeah, that's about it. hope you guys can see me. But anyway, I wanted to say compliments of the new year. Happy New Year to everyone. And this is the first video for this year. I've been feeling kind of demotivated. I don't know how many times I'm gonna be posting this month. I don't know. I guess I feel like that every year, every beginning of the year. You know, it's not fatigue. I don't know what it is, but I just get demotivated. And hopefully by me posting this one video, this first video, it will give me encouragement to post more. And yeah, it's the start of the year, and compliments to you guys. It is so hot. I need to buy myself a sunscreen because a hat is not gonna cut it. My sunscreen got finished last year December, so that is something that I need to add. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.